Okay, everybody, there you go. That's my bok choy salad with tuna and berries. So in this recipe, obviously, I've got strawberries on the plate. My tuna, I've used a hint of mayo and some fresh mustard seed. I love mustard seed. I think it's fantastic. Some salt and pepper and lemon juice. Now, the bok choy recipe, you can find that easy recipe on my channel as well. Now, the key with the bok choy is that when I buy it, I can make up an entire batch and that can last me an entire week. I don't have it every day. I use it on specific meals or when I'm feeling like I want to have a salad. So having that prep work already done with the bok choy salad gives me the opportunity to create so many different dishes. I've used it for tacos. I've used it on the sides of dishes when I've had some meat and fish. And today, I'm almost out of it. I'm down to a nice salad with tuna as a topper and berries. This is a fantastic, healthy recipe. So don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Also hit that notification button so you can see exactly when I'm posting some fresh, great recipes and you can follow along. This is a great one, you'll enjoy it. I'm ready to get in this one and give it a taste. Create a little hole right here, those berries. There we go. I'm not surprised because I've been eating the bok choy salad for the last 4 or 5 days since I made it. Having this as a topper with tuna, it's fantastic. I still have tuna left over here. I've used 1 can and I've used a fairly large scoop. So I can easily have 2 meals out of this if I have more bok choy left, which I do. In 1 can of tuna, I now have 2 meals. So if you're preparing for work and you've got a nice big bowl of bok choy salad prepared on a Sunday, for example, you might be able to make 3 or 4 different salads throughout the week to take to work for lunch. Use a variety. I've got tuna on there. You can, of course, use any type of fish. I love salmon as well. You want to put some chicken, you can use steak. Top 3 would be tuna, salmon, and sliced steak. Those would be fantastic with this bok choy. Give it a try and we'll see you again. Boom! This is delicious. This is delicious. I'm not even waiting. Presentation is over. I'm eating a whole can of tuna today. Extra protein for Uncle Drew. Chest workout earlier today. I'm feeling the need for some of this. A little bit left. Boom.